kitty.
Hey Ruby, meow, can I ask you a question, meow?
Sure you can, Ben.
Am I a good kitty, meow?
Why do you ask that, Ben the kitty?
Someone said I need to learn about manners, meow. Can you teach me what are good manners, meow?
Let's ask Daddy to teach us.
Hi kids, what up?
Can you teach us about manners, please?
Sure.
Yay!
Let's watch this video. Airiena learns about manners and watch till the end to see what she gets for having good manners. Okay, let's do it!
Wow! This is my spot.
What? Mommy, why don't we teach Airiena about good manners? Okay.
Hi, Airiena.
Hi, Mommy.
Do you want to be a good girl?
Yeah, Mommy.
Then you need to have good manners. Do you know what is manners?
No?
Do you want to learn?
Yeah, Mommy.
Okay, let's learn.
Okay, Mommy.
Uh-oh.
Don't play with my toy.
Airiena, can I borrow it, please?
No.
Share your toys. Have fun together. It's better than playing alone. Okay?
Can I play with your toy?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm so hungry. We will all wet.
Huh?
You should ask nicely if you want something from someone. Say the magic word, please.
Can I please have your grapes, Kaka? Oh, okay. Here you go.
Now, don't forget to say thank you.
Thank you, Kaka.
Hey, how was your first day at school?
It's fun.
Did you enjoy it?
Of course, Mommy. It's fun.
Don't interrupt people when they are talking. If you need to, say, excuse me.
Excuse me. Oh, hi, Airiena. What's wrong? I want to talk to you, Kaka. Oh, okay. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, Mommy.
Hello, sir.
Hey, hi.
I would like to buy one chocolate ice cream.
Okay.
Why so long? I want chocolate ice cream.
Ha!
Be patient and make a line. Wait for your turn, Airiena.
Thank you, kid.
Since you are a good kid, I will give you an extra ice cream tower.
Whoa! Whoa! Yummy. Yummy. Yummy.
Wow, so that's some good manners, Meow. I learned a lot, Meow.
Yes, and I want that tower ice cream too.